Hey guys, here's a trade I took this morning. It was on EUR CAD. As you can see, this one was a loss. There was another entry which I didn't actually take because I wasn't happy with the risk reward on that one. But let me just run through this whole movement and what happened. So there were a few news events for Euro today, and that's what I was trading. We had the German GDP, well, we also had the German unemployment rate, we had Euro CPI, we had Euro GDP, and we had a speech after. So going back to the chart, if I just show you the higher time frame, so on the 4 hour, let's go to the 1 hour actually. On the 1 hour, we can see that all of the charts, they started moving together, and that was around 9 o'clock. That was the news release for German GDP, approximately here. I was only interested in EuroCAD, Euro USD maybe as well, but the other pairs weren't really breaking any areas. However, on EuroCAD, we can see that we broke through this seller and we held above. However, we didn't really do much on the other charts, so the only one I was focused on was EuroCAD. So if we go down, and when the Euro CPI came out, that was at 10 o'clock my time. That was at this point, so we had a seller, and then the Euro CPI came out and price carried on buying. So that was the area I was using price to come back to, and that was just making sure that area holds if we do have a continuation for the buy. So if we go deeper into this, so on the 15 seconds, I was waiting for sellers to be introduced into the market. So it was at this point that sellers were introduced, and then I was waiting for buyers to be introduced back into the market to let me know that buyers are around and they should be looking to buy at some point. So over here we had a strong buyer step in and price went lopsided, and then it held around, and then as price came down again for another test, that's when I took my entry here. This one, it came up a little bit and then it just crashed. It didn't work out. Not every trade will work out. Then price came back down to here. It did struggle to break below. It never really did break below. And then when a strong buyer stepped in, that was when I started considering another entry around this area, but keeping stops below this, the risk reward just wasn't worth it. It was fluctuating around 1 to 2 risk reward, 1 to 3. I wasn't really interested in that. This one was 1 to 4, which was a bit closer to what I prefer. Yep, that's it really. I mean, at the same time, I can show you what happened on Euro USD. So we had the price action on this one was much cleaner than we had in Euro CAD, where we had the sell and then we had the buyer step in. Price held, came down for a better price, and then rolled over, and entry would be here for the buys. Stop loss down here. Risk reward probably be around 1 to 3, I believe. Very similar to the second entry on EuroCAD. Yeah, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. That would have been better. I could have probably used this for an entry on EUR CAD as well, but I wasn't looking at this chart at the time. And that's it really. Tomorrow we have the USD interest rate, so that will be the next time I'm looking to trade. So I'll catch you then.